In this video, we'll be talking about uses of spreadsheet. So first point that I want to mention, that is using spreadsheet or Microsoft Excel, you can perform calculations, basic and complex. For example, if you want to add two numbers, for example, you want to add 2 plus 3. Okay, so this way you can see that we are not able to do that, but there is a function called summation function, and if you want to sum two numbers, like for example 2 and 3, so you can use this type of formula and you can easily calculate the basic operations as well. And if you want to do some complex operations, mathematical operations, that is also possible through the Microsoft Excel. Now you can analyze data. So data analysis is possible, also reporting. So that's it. That is the second use cases of the spreadsheet or Microsoft Excel. Now third thing that you can use the charts and graphs. You can create the diagrams as well through the Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, we have this section. In the insert section, you can see there are various types of 2D, 3D, and then 3D bars are there, recommended charts are there, and you can see that various other map kind of information also there. If you want to insert or map, that is also possible. So this is how you can do that. If you want to play with the data, if you want to clean, we work with the table, if you want to remove the duplicate data, that you can also use it through this spreadsheet easily. So that is why I am saying only one point, that is data analysis and reporting is possible for the using the spreadsheet or Microsoft Excel. Then you can create list, you can manage list, you can create inventory, you can use the inventory management, you can also create the records for budgeting purpose, for accounting purpose, for financial purpose. You can use the Microsoft Excel for ERP level, where there is a enterprise level application. So for that, they are also using day-to-day activities through the Microsoft Excel. But for the complex data, if you want to store it permanently, then it would be a better option to store data inside a database. Any standard database, relational database you can use. For example, you can use database management, say system like MySQL server. Then you can use the SQL server, which is managed by the Microsoft itself. Those things you can use for permanent, to save the data permanently in the database. But for analysis purpose, you can still use the Microsoft spreadsheet. Also, you can use budgeting, accounting, and financing, analyze it through the Excel file easily, very easily. Now one more option, that we have the data, various information is there. If I want to filter out some data, so for that, you can see in the data section we have the sort and filter section. Okay, so if you want to do any kind of filtration process, if you want to summarize and sort the data, so you can use these tools like sort, filter, and there is an advanced option, you can utilize those. Okay, if you want to work with the data tools, then you can, there is a data tools you can use. If you want to use like forecast, if you want to do any kind of grouping, table grouping or row grouping, that thing also you can do. If you want to utilize the checkbox information for yes or no activity, then you can use this kind of control. There is an illustration. If you want to use the illustration, then there is a features like pictures, shapes, icons, you can use that. If you want to use smart arts like the PowerPoint, then you can utilize, you can do that. There is a various 3D models. If you want to utilize and show your to your students, then you also use this kind of spreadsheet tool, which is available to show you the 3D model as well. And if you want to analyze data, for that, there is a various type of functions are available in the Microsoft Excel that you can use. And very easier way, you can use the pivot table, and through the pivot table you can analyze the data. So these are some important aspects of the Microsoft Excels. So let me repeat, what are the uses of spreadsheet. The first point that you want to that you have to tell, that it performs calculations, basic and both complex operations. Then the second point is data analysis and reporting. The third point, that using spreadsheet we can create the charts, graphs, diagrams. The fourth point is we can manage list, inventory, we can insert data, update data, like this thing you can mention. The next point that you can mention about the use cases of the spreadsheet for budgeting, for accounting, financing, you can also use the spreadsheet. The last point that you can mention for your exam purpose, you can say that for sorting, filtration, and summarize the data, we can use the spreadsheet. So I think it's now clear what are the uses of the spreadsheet. There are many use cases. There is no limit of the use cases, but for the exam point of view, and if someone is asking that give me some use cases of a spreadsheet, then you can mention that one, okay. But in real life, you can't imagine that this is so much powerful tool that we can utilize, and you can easily do our task very quickly and very efficient way. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.